again. We're driving, we're driving. Beautiful. Just that. More drivers you can. Thank you. Passenger! Now rear steer.
We have the DOT here paving the road.
That's a pretty good little ramp. Passenger. Back up, dude. Back up.
Tail light dangerously close to breakage. Kevin, you can't drive my Jeep like yours. My Jeep doesn't have... Okay, now you really crossed the line. Okay, why did I give him the keys? Why did I give him the keys?
This is what happened with the workshop.
What are you fixing?
It only broke the top of the first two, and then the other one, and you got gold and all that stuff.
It's still, it's the force of it, it's lifting it up, and I gotta get more in here to keep it from fucking peeling right back off. If it was just side to side force, no big deal, but I already used them. Actually, I used the last ones on the last one's frame.
It's the Bolt Farm back once again for an encore.
Not like it was too much, but